If you've ever grabbed a cable off the wall and thought, is this a 25 or a 50? This quick system will save you a ton of time. Instead of guessing cable length, identify cables by color. Let's start with this XLR. All I'm doing is wrapping a small band of orange electrical tape around both ends of the cable. Nothing fancy, just clean, consistent wraps. Once that's done, the cable goes right up on the wall. Now, here's the key. Every cable length gets its own color. So maybe orange is 20 feet, blue is 6, green is 15, red is 25. Whatever makes sense for your inventory, the system is totally flexible. When you look at the wall, you instantly know what length you're grabbing. No measuring, no unraveling, no guessing. But the system really comes together when you add a color chart. Here's the fastest way to make one that's accurate. Take a quick photo or short video clip of the tape used for your cable ends. Bring those images into Photoshop. Use the eyedropper tool to sample the actual tape's color. Then fill a simple box with that color. Save each color box as a JPEG. These become your digital swatches. From there, drop those swatches into a simple table in Microsoft Word. 2 columns is all you need, one for the color and one for the corresponding cable length. You don't need to overthink the formatting. The goal is clarity and consistency. Print it, laminate it if you want, and hang it on the wall, or keep a digital copy on your phone or tablet. Now anyone on your team, students, volunteers, or crew can grab the right cable every single time. To make this even easier, you can download the exact template you see in this video directly from my website. Just head to theavcoach.com and use it as is or customize it for your own setup. Simple system, big time savings, and way fewer tangled cable questions.